And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to restore a crypto wallet from the .dat file. Now, this can be done with any cryptocurrency, not tokens. And for this example, I'm going to use the Apollon wallet. Now, before I go ahead and do this, if you are new to the channel, I recommend going and hitting subscribe and turning on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, let's go ahead and dive in. If you're watching this video, then I presume that you need to restore your crypto wallet from the .dat file. Now, it is very important that you always back up and save the .dat file because you never know what's going to happen to your computer. Yesterday, I had to delete absolutely everything off my laptop so I could install the new Windows update. And now I've had to go through the boring, long process of restoring all my crypto wallets. But I did save the .dat file, so now I'm able to do this, and I thought I would just show this video showing you how. Now, if for some reason you don't actually know how to save and back up your wallet, it is pretty simple. You just go to File, Backup Wallet, then save it as the .dat file and call it whatever you want, and then store that somewhere safe on a USB, in the cloud, or wherever you feel that it's safe for you. Now, into the backup. What you first have to do, depending on the crypto you are using, you still have to download the wallet first and sync it to the blockchain. As you can see, I have already done this. This wallet, the XAP wallet, this is the Apollon, one of my favorite masternode coins at the minute. But I've downloaded the wallet, it's all synced, and now I'm ready to back it up. So what we do, once it's all synced, we close the wallet. Then as you can see, I have my backup just here. So to get to the folder that you need to use, you need to go to your Windows drive, then open that. We go to Users, then your username folder, mine's that one. Then we go to App Data, Roaming, and then you find the folder associated with the wallet. For this case, it's the Apollon. So I'm going to open that. Now we scroll down to this file. No, that's the wrong one, sorry. We go down to here, the wallet file. As you can see, it is the .dat file. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to change this. I'm going to rename it to Wallet Backup, like that. Now all we do is drag this file into this folder, like so. Now as you can see, I have the wallet backup in the right folder. Now all we do is we delete the wallet.dat file, and then with this one rename it just to wallet, and then press enter. Now that should be it. So now I'm going to close that. I'm going to reopen the Apollon crypto wallet, and now everything should be backed up and I should have my wallet back. Just give that a second to load up. Come on then. Have a little sip of my drink. But as you can see, this process is really, really simple, and this is why you should always back up every wallet you have. Why is this taking so long? Because if you don't back up your wallets, here we go. If you don't back up your wallets and keep the .dat file safe, you have lost that wallet forever. But now, as you can see, I've restored this wallet. Everything is back to normal. I only have one XAP in here, or Apollon. But that is it. That's how simple it is to restore your crypto wallet from the .dat file. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been StackinProfit, and I'll see you again soon.